Go!
Bring him here!
Move up, Beta.
I've got a wire here.
Stand by, Breacher. I'll be clearing through that door in 60 seconds.
Yeah, IED hooked to the door. Looks like a big one.
Speed it up, Sergeant.
All clear. On your toes, lads. These guys mean business.
Take it out, Breacher. We go on the bay of the bag.
Would you want a medal?
I've already got my third stroke, thanks.
Going live, figures 10. Prep your stun spike, here we go, boys. No go! Live grenade!
Whoa!
What happened, Riley? Did the charge malfunction?
No, it was the...
Save your breath, darling. Questions can wait. How are we doing on that dressing, Dix?
I need answers. Heads are gonna roll.
Look, back off. All right, just let us do our job. She's been caught in an explosion and received wood shrapnel injuries. She's got a pelvic injury with a brisk arterial bleed to her left thigh, which we've stemmed with Celox. GCS has been 15. Pulse.
You need to go for treatment.
I just want to check how she is. Is she going to make it?
The best thing you can do for her right now is to get yourself patched up.
Breacher set the charge. We'd pulled back. Flashbang went off before the charge and Riley thought the door blown. She took off. Tried to stop her, but it was too late.
She made such a stupid mistake. She should know better than anyone.
I don't know. I got confused, I guess it happens.
Not in my squad.
I'm Dr. Knight. I'm treating Chris. I just wanted to let him know how you're doing, if that's all right.
Tell him he owes me a pint.
He owes you.
Moron thought the flashbang going off was a frame charge exploding. He just took off round the corner. Would have got mashed if I hadn't dived in front of him.
So you saved him?
Yeah, but he hates being saved by a girl. Thinks we should be armed with mops, not guns.
Have you been lying to me, Corporal Clark?
No. Just say anything to stop us from getting kicked out of the unit.
All right, stats have dropped to 96%.
I want the truth.
You ask any of the boys, they'll back me up. She wasn't up to the job, that's not my fault.
I think it's time I spoke to Sergeant Riley myself.
Would you like to like some TTA drugs, please, before we discharge Carter Clown?
Yeah, I'll get to that in a moment. Right now, he needs a chest drain. Let's move into HDC, please. Nice deep breaths, all right?
Yeah, it's like he said, I made a mistake.
Okay, that'll be all for now. I'll see you after surgery. Good luck.
Thanks, Sam.
It's not what you told Dr. Knight. What's going on?
It doesn't matter what I say. The boys will back up Chris. That's how it works.
But he's lying. You keep making a fuss until they believe you.
And get labelled a grass. It's been hard enough getting women in combat roles as it is.
Chris? I'm Rita. I've been treating Erin.
How is she?
She's gone to surgery. But don't worry, she backed up your story. Do you want to tell me what really happened?
I don't know what you're talking about.
She risked her life trying to save you. Don't you think you owe it to her to tell the truth?
Brainy, can you tell me
It's
how often
Rita.
these high dependency cubicles... sorry, this patient's in respiratory distress. Can you get me a stethoscope, please?
Tell her I'm sorry, will you?
You can tell her yourself when you're better.
Make it.
I'll be the judge of that, and I say you're going to be fine.
Please. Give them to my OC. He'll understand.
Good of you to turn up, Dr. Knight. The respiratory reg should be doing this. Why haven't you called him down?
There's really no need. I've done this procedure a dozen times when I was in Miami.
This is not Miami. Hand the patient over.
I can do this, all right? Why can't you just show a little bit of faith in me?
Mrs. Beecham, can I have a word outside, please?
Yes, of course.
Bronchoscope, please, Charlie.
Sats are looking good.
Moving into the right bronchus. Chris, I think we've found your missing tooth. Okay, grab her, please.
Well done, Chris. Not long now.
Steady. Okay. Right, now for the tricky bit. Got it.
Nice one. Well done, Dr. Knight.
Thanks, Charlie. All right, let's bring this out.
There's a good chance he's not telling the truth about what happened.
Told you he's been lying?
People don't always tell their bosses the truth. I believe you're blaming the wrong person for this accident, and Erin's career is at stake.
All our careers are. They're both telling the same story. That's good enough for me and my superior officers.
Oh. Okay. Chris asked me to give you these. What does that tell you?
So, I told the boss the truth. That it was me who thought the flashbang was the breach and went early. And the fact that you dived in front of me. You saved my life. And I nearly ruined yours. It's not really a fair trade.
You did act like an idiot. No, you can't help it, you're a man.
You're a good soldier, Sergeant Riley. We're lucky to have you in the squad.
Thanks, Chris. Next time, do me a favour.
Yeah, you name it.
We should go in the G of the bang.
Don't make me laugh, it hurts.